Embarrassing, wouldn't it, if they got all the way to the breaching door without a battering ram? So, Boru, their personal target is 213. That's what they did last year. Oh, someone's going back the way. Did they drop something? Oh, that could be a violation, or was it a... Were they trying to help their colleague with the battering ram? The Kyrgyzstan Team A, their fellow countrymen, went round in 143.1. Very quick indeed. Oh, he's still having a go at that fourth target, the sniper. Well, he's decided to abandon it, so there will be a time penalty to be added on for that missed target that's been left out there by the Boru sniper of Kyrgyzstan. CBN is asking if they are all free to use all types of guns. Well, to answer your question, Subieng, some teams bring their own weapons, others opt to use the weapons of Dubai police that are provided by Dubai police. So it's a personal preference basis with regards to each of the teams. But yes, in simple terms, to answer your question, Subieng, they are free to use their own weapons. One more to come, I think. Yeah, there he is from the Boru team of Kyrgyzstan. As soon as he crosses the finish line, they'll be able to stop the clock.